Assigning a unique identifier to every part is a critical requirement to ensure precise identification and correct assembly throughout the entire manufacturing workflow. Woodsoft automates this process, fast, consistent, and highly reliable. Starting from the design model, the software generates production-ready labels that include all essential information: part name, material type, dimensions, grain direction, machining codes, and the exact label placement. Beyond the built-in templates, users can create fully customized label formats using Bazis Label, adjusting layout, size, and content to meet each workshop's standards. Woodsoft outputs label data compatible with various automatic labeling machines, allowing direct online printing and application, or separate printing for manual labeling when necessary. The use of standardized labels minimizes errors, speeds up verification, and enhances accuracy across the entire production process. Woodsoft Optimizers. Automated. Accurate. Seamless.